This is the 5-tier display case for sports cards or any type of trading card, really. The reason I wanted one of these is because I have a lot of my personal collection that I wanted to be able to display, and I thought that this was the perfect way to do it, and it turns out it was. So as you can see, you can store so many cards on this, 4 to a row. You can store them, I mean, pretty much in any way, and it's going to be the same standard size. These were super easy to put together. You can see right here, you just slide these little containers down into here, and that's it. What I really like about this is there was no pieces that were going to snap off or anything like that. And if you have a personal collection that you want to display and not keep it in a binder or anything like that, I think this is such a great way to do it. And it's so easy. You have it on display, you can change them out, you can move this around, and it doesn't take up a lot of space. As you can see, it's not super wide. It's just, you know, a little bit more than my hand. But if you're looking for a display case for your personal collection, or maybe just some cards that you wanted to put up here to remember to sell, or, you know, pack up, this is a great option. And as you can see, it holds a lot of cards. So if you're looking for a display stand, I would definitely pick one of these up.